Unchain my heart.
Many songs use body parts and organs to express feelings.
Scream from the top of my lungs, what's going on?
It's time they use them to send a more powerful message. Jovem Pan Curitiba, broadcaster of Brazil's #1 radio station, put together many of these tracks to make a different type of organ transplant. One made of sound. We played several iconic songs within the radio's playlist, but with a small twist.
Unchain my heart, 'cause you don't care.
Toni Braxton's heart was suddenly beating inside Joe Cocker, only to remind people to become donors themselves.
Get real high and I scream from the top of my lungs, what's going on?
John Mayer had donated his lungs to 4 non-blondes.
Just too good to be true. Can't take my eyes off of you.
Frankie Valli had received Alice in Chains' Eyes. And many other great and influential artists were donating their organs to other musicians too.
E esse foi o Frank Sinatra doando um pouco da sua pele para o Hang and Bone Man. Só para lembrar você de ser um doador também. Avise sua família e salve vidas. Uma campanha da Jovem Pan.
From time to time, man creates a different type of transplant. We came up with one made of music.